Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 13 Neo, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. And now let's enter the backup option and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. I've got it saved, so let me tap on it and tap on next. And right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. What's more, a quick disclaimer: you do not have to enter the full email address in the very first step, in the previous step actually, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So now let me tap on next after entering the password. And right here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let me tap on it. As you can see here, we've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got some info about the backup, so you can check that you are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account in order to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and also text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically and store it securely, and you will be able to manage it whenever you want to. Just show the details in the settings and so on. So let's tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the whole, let's say, backup section. Here we can check how much space we've got left and how much space is used. We can manage the storage, so we will be able to remove something. Here under it we've got the backup details, so you can check what kind of data has been backed up. So for example, the history hasn't backed up yet. And here we've got advanced settings, and and this option is connected with the backup, and you can check between the mobile data or Wi-Fi data. And I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. Thanks to this, your device will back up the data only whilst it will be connected with the Wi-Fi, and thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading and so on. So basically, in order to finish the whole operation, just tap on backup now, and basically that's all. As you can see, you have to confirm it, but that's okay. As you can see, your device will back up the data right now. So basically that's all. This is how to back up how to enable the Google backup in your Motorola Edge 13 Neo. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.